Hello friends, we at Department of Periodontology give emphasis on maintenance of our oral hygiene. Maintenance of oral hygiene is a very important part of our day-to-day life. Today, my team member will demonstrate you all the techniques which you can use in your day-to-day life to maintain oral hygiene.
Toothbrushing is a must to maintain the health of your teeth and gums and to prevent tooth decay. A proper toothbrushing techniques involves brushing your teeth twice daily for 2 minutes. Yes, for 2 minutes. Now I'll teach you how to brush your teeth. Tilt brush at 45-degree angle, half on the tooth surface and half on gum line. Make sure you reach the back teeth. Move the brush in small circular motion on each teeth. Brush all the outside and inside surfaces of the teeth and then brush the biting surfaces of the teeth. Vertically use up and down strokes.
Toothbrushing and interdental aid are the primary tool for cleaning the teeth. Flossing is one of the interdental aid which is used to clean the teeth and dislodge the food which is stuck between the teeth. Now I will teach you how to floss your teeth. (18 to 24 inches of the dental floss. Wind floss around both of your middle fingers and leave 1 to 2 inches of floss for your teeth. Place dental floss between two teeth and gently glide the floss in up and down direction. Repeat the step as you move from tooth to tooth.
I hope by now you have learned how to use dental floss. Now we are going to learn about how to use interdental brush. Interdental brush, they are specially designed brushes that is used to clean the space between the teeth. The size of the brush depends upon the size of the space present between the teeth. Place the brush at the point where the gap begins. Without placing any pressure on the brush, hold the bristle at 90 degrees to the teeth. Push the brush through with care and then pull it out. The job is done.
As you have seen all the techniques to maintain oral hygiene, there are few tips which you can use. Brush your teeth twice daily, clean your tongue on regular basis, use interdental aids like floss on daily basis.